Good morning, dear students. In today class, we will discuss about MCQ of biology, chapter 6, life processes. First MCQ: in a parasitic mode of nutrition, an organism obtains food from the body of another organism that is called host. B option is correct. Second question: the process of releasing energy from food is respiration. Question third: the kidney in human being are part of the system for excretion. The xylem in plant are responsible for transport of water. The autotrophic mode of nutrition require CO2, water, sunlight, chlorophyll. Correct answer is all of these. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide molecule water energy that takes place in mitochondria. Which of the following statement about the autotroph is incorrect? The C answer: they convert CO2 and water into carbohydrate in absence of sunlight. Plant convert CO2 and water into carbohydrate in presence of sunlight. In which of the following group of organisms the food material are broken down outside the body and absorbed? The correct answer is B. Yeast, mushroom and bread molds. These are saprotrophs. Saprotrophs first digest the food outside the body and then absorb the soluble substance. Question number 9. Which of the correct sequence of part in human alimentary canal? The correct sequence is this. D answer: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Question number 10. The mode of nutrition exhibited by Cascata is parasitic. An example of holozoic nutrition is amoeba. The enzyme present in saliva is ptyalin. Which acid is found in gastric juice? HCl. Which protein digesting enzyme is secreted by digestive gland in the human stomach? That is pepsin. The correct pathway of air is human being is, that is this one. C answer: nostril, pharynx, larynx, trachea and lungs. Next, this is heart diagram: right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, lungs and body organs. So ABC, AB is pulmonary artery, this is pulmonary vein. So pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, main vein, and this is main artery. Main vein, C part is main vein and then main artery. Answer B is correct. Next question. Here is part indicated in human heart diagram. So here the A, B, C and D, E and F. Oxygenated blood is in F, B and D part, and deoxygenated on the left side A, C, E. ACE, this one. Deoxygenated ACE, this one. Correct answer is A. The organ system of animal responsible for transportation of human transportation is by circulatory system. Next, which process is responsible for distribution of water mineral in all part of the plant body? That is transport system. Which protein digesting enzyme is found in pancreatic juice? That is trypsin. In saliva, salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva. Which of the following event in the mouth cavity will be affected? If slavery amylase is absent, then starch will not break down into maltose. So this one B answer. A few drops of iodine solution are added to rice water that turns blue-black color. This indicates the rice water contains starch. What is the function of pancreatic juice from following? Pancreatic juice digests the proteins and trypsin digests the protein and lipase digests the emulsified fat. D answer is correct. Which of the following compound provide energy for the transportation of substance like sucrose in phloem? Energy is provided by this is that is movement of water molecule, water potential होता है. So answer is D. The enzyme that convert starch into maltose is ptyalin. Up to here. Okay, students. Learn it, revise it. It will beneficial for all students.